The taste is good. Look at it. The taste is good. Very simple cake. I'm going to enjoy myself now. My beautiful people, we are back again. Bedianawalkerdoings. I feel like doing a portion of cake. Yeah, so this is butter, egg, sugar, vinegar, and a little pinch of salt. Yeah. This is lemon skin and orange skin. I'm just doing a little. I feel like this is adding lemon juice. Another butter. Very simple. You can see it's not many. Just a portion. So I'm adding milk powder. Already I've added fresh yogurt. Yeah. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is my flour. Just a portion of cake. Moist cake. Putting the dough, the cake mixture in the pan, my baking pan, then we bake it. For 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. So this is our cake. It's too hot. Let it cool. Then we cut and see the inside. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. To all my returning subscribers, I love you. God bless you. You see the cake? It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. The taste is good. Look at it. The taste is good. Very simple cake. I'm going to enjoy myself now.